Oh, are we on? Okay. Here at IKEA... No, we're not here at IKEA. Ah, just kidding. Here at Higher Dimensions, we make excellent use of the space available. As you can see, we have a 1,200 square foot room, and we try and make the most available space out of the space we have. So, without further ado, let's try and show you how to make the space comfortable and livable. Yes. Use of the space available. We have plants and chairs to sit, and it really makes the space more livable. And on a side note, because we are so cramped in here, we can't have game night this Friday. Sorry about that. What can you do? Here at Higher Dimensions, you know how to furnish a space. You don't have to be rich, just smart.